Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a video that perfectly shows how some arrogant cops think they're above the law. Picture this: an officer ignoring the Constitution, demanding ID without cause, and giving useless commands like he owns the sidewalk. But don't worry, he gets put in his place fast. This is a perfect example of why knowing your rights matters, people. We'll walk through the confrontation step by step and show exactly how civilians can stand up legally when officers overstep. So grab your coffee, pay attention, and let's break it down. Make sure you smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and help spread awareness about police misconduct. Stay sharp, everyone. This is about defending your rights. Listen up. The officer approaches, asking for ID like it's some kind of game. I'm claiming suspicion of trespassing out of nowhere. But here's the kicker. The guy filming is on a public sidewalk, fully within his rights. He calmly asks the cop for his badge number and certification while invoking his Fifth Amendment rights to remain silent. The officer stumbles over legal codes, trying to twist words, demanding access to the camera without cause. This is textbook intimidation, but our protagonist doesn't flinch. He's armed with knowledge, not weapons. And every citizen watching should note how to handle these situations. Ask calmly, know the law, and don't get bullied. That's how you flip the power dynamic while staying completely lawful. All right, folks, it gets even juicier. The cop doubles down, citing private property, threats of trespassing, and vague suspicions. Meanwhile, our guy explains clearly that this is public access property, fully legal for him to be on. The officer tries the classic fear tactic, eyes bringing up weapons and potential threats. But guess what? Our guy is completely unarmed, calm, and rational. He even clarifies the function of the government office, showing he understands the difference between public and private spaces. This segment highlights how officers can misinterpret or intentionally twist property laws to assert control. But with patience, a firm voice, and proper knowledge. Here's where it gets spicy. The cop persists, questioning ID, privileges, and even blocking pedestrian access. But our man stays unshaken. He challenges illegal detention, repeatedly asking if he's being held, documenting everything for evidence. The officer hesitates, fumbling explanations, unable to justify actions under legal scrutiny. This is a perfect first